constant improvement and increase in the efficiency of compact electric motors, accumulator batteries, microcircuits, mass release of modern materials allow an increasing number of innovative entrepreneurs to create the most diverse systems of human transportation by air. Every year, news about the testing of new types of personal air transport flies around the world. In 2021, 3 projects attracted attention. Jetson ONE is a single-seater electric aeromobile from the Swedish startup Jetson Aero. It can accelerate up to 63 miles per hour and stay in the air for up to 15 to 20 minutes. The electric motor provides a peak power of 88 kilowatts, about 118 horsepower. The weight of the pilot must not exceed 187 pounds. A private pilot's license is required to fly Jetson ONE. Jetson Aero has already sold out the initial batch of 14 aircraft. The first customers will receive their aeromobiles in 2022. So far, production is small-scale, only 12 cars per year. The current cost of one Jetson ONE is $92,000. To order the device, you need to make a deposit in the amount of $22,000.